Fypon's new rafter tails feature a rough sawn cedar finish, providing a more authentic look. 5 new profile designs, scroll, slant, bullnose, cove, and straight, were carefully selected to complement a variety of architectural home styles, including Craftsman, Prairie, modern farmhouse, Mediterranean, and Southwest. Rafter tails should be installed by a professional contractor. For a complete list of tools required, download our rafter tail installation instructions from Fypon.com. If the project is a remodel with an existing fascia board, the fascia board will need to be removed prior to installing the new rafter tails. To install rafter tails under a sloped soffit, determine the projection and angle needed for your specific project. Measure and cut the rafter tails to the size needed. Once the rafter tails are cut to the correct dimensions, they should be finished using a high-quality exterior latex paint or an exterior water-based wood stain. This step can be completed at the end of the installation if preferred. If the rafter tail is being applied over a structural 2x4 or 2x6 material, be sure to cut the appropriate angle to allow a snug fit. Apply polyurethane-compatible adhesive to the top edge of the rafter tail cavity. Place the rafter tail over the structural 2x material. Nail into place using 16 gauge by 2 inch galvanized nails on both the left and right side of the rafter tails. Note, if you are installing the rafter tails as a decorative element only, create blocking that will fit fully inside the rafter cavity. Attach the blocking to the soffit. Then attach the rafter tail to the blocking using adhesive and 16 gauge by 2 inch galvanized nails. Be sure to nail through the rafter tail and blocking for a secure hold. Once the rafter tails are in place, patch the holes with a polyurethane-compatible filler. Lightly sand and reprime using the oatmeal primer. Allow time for the primer to dry before doing the final paint or stain touch-ups. If a fascia board is specified, it should be applied at this time using standard roofing techniques. To find out more about Fypon Rafter Tails, contact your local sales representative or visit Fypon.com.